All right. Think we're live. Hello, everyone. Kyle, AA0Z. What's happening? So it's 3 o'clock on a Friday. If you don't know what that means, or it's Sunday at 7 Central, it's SST time, slow speed CW. So what we're going to do here, first I got some announcements. Let me get to the SST K1 USN. Let me pull this over so you guys can see it. So this is the home page of the SST Slow Speed Contest. It happens twice a week, Fridays and Mondays, so you can see what time it is on Eastern. And it's just a contest, and your exchange is obviously your call, right? And your name and your state. So something going on upstairs. Anyway, so name and state are your exchanges, and the fastest you can go is 20 words a minute, which is great for people that are starting out, right? And you've got people that they go from anywhere between 10 to 15 to 20. I rarely hear, hey, quit it. I rarely hear more people than, or people sending more than 20 words a minute, which is awesome. So K1USN.com is the URL. Second thing I've got here is if you're going to go to Dayton, put your name in the chat or say that you're going to go to Dayton. We are all meeting at the Wheelhouse at the Troll Pub at the Wheelhouse in downtown Dayton on Saturday night. So if you're in Dayton and going to Hamvention and you got nothing to do on Saturday night, come hang out with us at the Troll Pub at the Wheelhouse. So that's where we will be. Let's say hello to some people in the chat here. There's Norm there. Mike, hello. Matt. Chris, N8PEM. There's Chris again, KD2YDN. Actually, let me take care of something right here. I think one of my I think I left my computer on upstairs, and I think it's playing a YouTube video, and my dog is going crazy. Let me see if I can stop it here. Let me see if I can find it. Because it's driving her crazy. So, nope, it's not that one. Let me see if it's my laptop. Sorry, guys. I know this is riveting radio. My dog is going to go crazy here. Actually, give me 2 seconds. I'm going to go up and stop that video. Hang on. Okay, sorry. All right, we're back. All right, so let's make some contacts here on the slow speed contest SST. Actually, I think it's somebody outside. Oh. Whenever you get old, you start to hear things. So anyway, let's turn on the CW and see if we can make some contacts here. So I've got N1MM here. I've got the Flex radio over there, and then my contest dashboard. We'll see if it updates. Who knows? But all right, so let's turn on some audio here. I usually start here at the top of the band and kind of work my way down. So there's potentially W0NY. We'll see if we can hear them. And then you also get to see how horrible I am at copying CW. Is it? Do you send your signal report? I think I took that out of my let me see. Signal report in here. No, it's not. No signal report. Okay. So W0NY is a little light. Let's see if we can find somebody that's got a little bit better signal. There's K1EBY, so we're going to send our call. I think he got my... He wasn't calling me. Call him again. There we go. Okay. CT. And then I'm going to send him my exchange. KYLE. Thank you. A1EB. EBY. We're going to log him. There he is. So a lot of these, I should probably put the chat up here. Hang on, guys. Let's see. Pop out chat. So whenever you set up N1MM for the first time, what you can do is, so you're going to I create a new database, and then you go in and create a new log, and the SST is a user-defined database, so you have to download that from the N1MM website. So once you get that into your user-defined contest, then you can set up the SST log. So let's open up the log here, and we bring this down. So if I come over here to where you set up the actual log, if you come over here to associated files, you can click on this call history file name, which is down here. I know that you can barely see it. And then you click on change, and what it's going to do is it's going to download the last or the latest history file, and it fills in, you know, if you've participated in a contest before, if you've participated in one or the SST before, you have the option of uploading that history file after the contest. So somebody aggregates all that stuff and then sends, you're able to download the latest copy of the call history file, and then it automatically puts in the name and state of the call signs. So, I mean, that kind of defeats the purpose of head copying and trying to get, trying to hear the names and the states and working on your copying skills, but it does help out a little bit. So so we're going to OK and download this, and then we're going to hit OK, and it's probably going to reset. Nope, didn't reset. So, all right, just wanted to give that little tidbit here and keep going. Let's find another strong station here. So I just kind of work through clicking on spots here, and either I can click on the spots over here in my my waterfall, or I can click on the spots over here on the band map. But it's easier to click on the waterfall so that I can hear them. See, wait till he calls CQ. CQ. K5MM. Wasn't calling me. Yeah, Neil, it's a nice assist for beginners. Yep, I agree. So I'm gonna send my call again. Hit that like button if you can, guys. Nope. One more time. We'll see what. Oh, I missed it. I should have called. K1RF. Oh, somebody's over top road. He didn't call CQ, and I should have gotten in there and just threw my call in, but I didn't. There we go. Ron in Texas. Sending Kyle. Mo. And then I log it. I don't have a dit. I should make a dit here in my macros. Oh well. KW6WI just joined, so I may have missed it. Are you not allowed to use a skimmer with Slice Master? So I'm not using Slice Master, but you can use a skimmer. Yeah, using a skimmer is totally okay. Are you talking about to help you decode? Because you can totally do that. Like you can use, if you're in a contest and you've got a piece of software to help you decode, totally legal. Totally legal. I had a friend who he would participate in field day, winter field day, and other places, and he didn't know CW, but he needed the points, and he would just download a decoder and go to town. And Neil says, which he's probably going to correct me here, I think the call history file is aggregated from all those operators that upload scores. Ah, okay, gotcha. That's where yeah. Because there's no contest sponsor for, well, I guess it's the K1 USN club is the contest sponsor. But they don't award, like, points or, I mean, there's points, but they don't award, like, a plaque or a certificate for coming in first. It's just you upload your score to 3830 scores, and, it's bragging rights. Kind of like any other contest. Okay, so let's see if we can get K3JT. This sounds like a straight key. Maybe not. Hey, Andy. I don't think Terry, West Virginia. I'm going to send my call one more time. I don't think you got it. Nope, he's working somebody else. He's got a bug. That's a bug. I can hear him, but he's having trouble hearing me. We'll give him one more call, and then we'll move on. Okay, 3. There we go. Thank you. Harry. West Virginia. Kyle, Missouri. Got him. Okay. On to the next victim. On to the next sucker. Let's see. I can't... Where's the Pixie Cam? Well, Pixie Cam, it's, I don't know where I'd put it. Actually, you know what? Let me see. Hang on. There it is. Let's see if we can make it, we'll put it right there. Norm just bought his first bug. Should be arriving in the mail today. Nice. Very good. All right, where were we? We're trying to work at N5NA. Is that what we're trying to do? Allen in Texas. Uh-oh, pile up. Did I just miss him sending this call? Oh. All right, we're going to come back to Allen. He's got quite a pile up. I really don't feel like waiting around here. Here's N. Oh, what did I do here? Oh, I must have... there we go. N3QE. There we go. Maryland. Tim in Maryland. Gonna send Kyle. Kyle. 73. Dit. Matt, I would run a frequency, but I would not be at, like... I would ignore the chat. I would have to, like, literally just concentrate. I can't do, like, 0.75 things at a time. I just can't. I should remote in my flex and enter the contest. Contests are a good way to compete and work to all states. Yep. Very good. Need to start working the CW in 80 years. Yep. Yeah, POTA, NAQP, like all those contests. Reds, I expect more of you. So Norm says, hey, Kyle, how does your memory keyer work? Where do you enter that exchange? All right, I'll show you. So I'm just using the keyboard here, and it's macros. Let me turn this off. It's macros within N1MM. Oh, I'm gassy today. Okay, so you can see here that, see if I can make this bigger. It's not going to be any bigger. So you've got these macros up here on N1MM. Hopefully I'm going to answer your question, Norm. So if I right-click on this thank you, which is F3, and I come in, here are the macros for the buttons. Okay, so here's the run messages, and here's the search and pounce messages. So I'm currently in search and pounce mode. So if I take a look at F3, it has the function button, and then thank you is the label, and then it actually sends TU as the exchange. If you put things in brackets, curly brackets, mustache brackets, then it takes these variables that you define whenever you set up N1MM. So, like exchange. Exchange is defined whenever I go into the contest. So let's open the log and let's go into the contest. Sent exchange, that is where Kyle, Missouri, right here, that's where exchange comes in. Your call is whenever you set up N1MM, it does change your station data. Here, call is gotten from this right here, call. So, and then what you do is in the flex, so this is going to get a little confusing, but it's kind of the same for, I think, most radios. So I've got this cat control that I set up a WinKeyer port on port 8. And then what I do is I've got a WinKeyer here in config, and then configure ports mode control WinKey. And if you go over here to the hardware tab, you configure a WinKeyer. So I click on this port 9. So I just showed you port 8 on WinKeyer. I'm using an emulator to get the side tone into my ears, but it's anything going into port 9 comes out of port 8. So basically you have to set up a WinKeyer port. And this is how you click WinKey right here, and you give it a port number whenever you select the port, and then that's how that works. And typically that connects to your radio somehow, or through an actual WinKeyer, which I have one upstairs, and that connects to your radio, and that's how you send CW. So that's how the Flex is set up. I hope that answered your question. Probably not. Probably confused you even more. This is so flexy. SST, K1, SM, K1, SM. I'm gonna send my call. Hopefully it's Bill. Bill, Massachusetts. I'm going to send Kyle. Yep, he just sent his call, so it's good. Matt says, put in your dit. Where should I put in my dit? Maybe F11? Should I put in my dit on F11 maybe? Oh, that's question mark. Hang on. Spare. We'll put it in 7. So we're going to say dit. Dit. And we're going to call it EE. Save. Okay. So 7. Why didn't it update? Oh, because I updated the run. Spare on. So now I want to call it dit, and I want to send EE. So now I hit save. So if I come over here to a blank spot here and I hit F7, dit. All right. So F4, F2, and then F7, right? Got it. Need more weeds. Yeah. Jack in Pennsylvania. Uh-oh. Oh. Nope. A0Z. There he goes. JACKPA. Sending Kyle. See, sometimes they don't. No dit dits. No dit dits, Matt. He didn't want to show me his dit dits. That's okay. I didn't want to see his dit dits anyway. Oh, I don't want... Mark in New York. Kyle. Kyle. Dit. Nope, no dit there either. Nobody wants to show me their dits. No flashing of dits. Nope. No flashing of dits. It's all right. I get enough dits. This K1 DJ. Let's see. Hey, Tim. K7KOM. N7KOM. God, I always do that. K7KOM. I always do that, Tim. Everyone should go subscribe to all the YouTubers that have commented here. K9EI, go subscribe to him. Red Summit RF, go subscribe to him. Let's see, who else has got a page on here? Norm has got Shackin' Off. Go search Shackin' Off. Who else is in here? KD2YDN, Ruckin' Radio. That's Chris's channel. Go subscribe to him. And hit that like button if you can. Let's see if we can get up to 20 likes. The exchange is your name and your state. MA, he's in Massachusetts, or somebody's in Massachusetts. I'm going a little fast for him. Thank you. Rich. Massachusetts. Sending Kyle. Yep, Kyle, I'm good. Thank you, Kyle. Dit. Oh, crap. I thought he was going to send dit. What's the exchange if you're in the UK? I think it's just DX. Yeah, I think it would probably be DX. Just like Field Day or kind of any other domestic contest. There was another question in there. I forgot what it was. I can't find it. Let's see if we can get K9 on 20 meters here. Norm is my RF neighbor here. What do you mean, your RF neighbor? I thought Norm lived in Texas. I don't understand that comment. Great practicing, Alyssa. That's Tim. That's SO. That's 2 That's single operator, 2 radio, internet. Well, we got to find an acronym for one on the internet and one local. One internet, one local. one I, one L. SO2, one I, one L. Now we're just making up stuff. That'd be great if like somebody just started making up acronyms at Contest U and be like, I'm going to do a presentation on one internet, one local contesting. SO1L, 1R. One local, one remote. Oh, there you go. Yeah, SO1L, 1R. There you go. Oh, it's funny. Okay, let's see what this guy is. The W7SW? I don't think this guy... Oh, that is a W7SL or SW. Scotty in Arizona. He's asking for his call again. I was the station right before when you worked. Oh, gotcha. I didn't even hear your call, Red. Let's see if we can get... Going a little fast. Maybe I should... Okay, just sent AA, so I'm going to send AA0Z again. Thank you. No. What? What did he send? I wasn't even paying attention. We'll have to go back and see. I think he's using a different name. Let's see what name he was sent. He sent to Arizona, yeah. Carol? Did you send Carol? Is that what I copied? Carol? Okay. That's what I copied. Let's listen to it one more time. This is where, you know, you get into... There's something on the call history, but it's not what they're sending. So then you got to listen to it again. I think that I heard Carol with 2 L's. We'll see. Yep, Carol. We're going to log it as Carol. So there's a perfect example of never trust the call history file. You saw it in action. Call history said Scotty, but she was sending Carol. So, there you go. Let's see if we can come back here. Let's see if we can work this guy. W3, this is WA3AAN. Let's see if he sends Grant in Pennsylvania. Yep. There you go, Grant, Pennsylvania. Let's see. Let's keep working up and down the band here. See if we can pull this guy out. Oh, that's W0NY. See if we can hear him. Okay. Oh, yeah. There he goes. Nope. He can barely hear me. Nope. Nope. He sent a 9. There you go. Thank you. Nick, Minnesota. Let's see if he gets my exchange. If he's using M1MM in the call history. I wasn't even paying attention. Nope, he got me. So Kyle, Fridays I make pizza from scratch, including the dough. Tonight's it's pork, burnt ends, corn, and red onions. Yay or nay? Anything that has pork burnt ends on it is a yay for me. I love burnt ends. Wow, you're more of a chef than I am, and that's not saying much. I cannot. Well, I mean, I cook, but making dough from scratch, that's a little out of my league. That's a little out of my league. I mean, I watched a lot of YouTube videos on corn. Yeah, the corn, you know, I'm not really sure about corn on pizza. You know, we've got a pizza joint here in St. Louis. It's called Katie's Pizza, and it's like all specialty pizzas. And they'll put everything from like, I don't know, zoysia grass to literally fried frog legs on pizza, and you're just like, what is going on? Everyone's talking about Hamvention. Man, I'm getting so psyched for Hamvention. Can it just like start tomorrow? Can we just have like a full week of Hamvention? Granted, I'd probably get sick of it on day number 3, but that's okay. Where's all my SSTers? Let's see if this is... Kids pizzas, burnt ends, and pineapple. Yeah, anybody who puts pineapple on pizza, I don't know. That and eggplant. I saw somebody eating just an eggplant pizza. That's all it had on it was eggplants, and I'm just like, oh my god. The only thing I don't like about Hamvention is not getting enough sleep. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I am so tired on Sunday. Is that, all right. Let's see if that's Amanda in South Carolina. Yep, South Carolina. Amanda, South Carolina. Amanda from Long Island CW class, or yeah, I don't know who Amanda is. I don't know. You know what? I haven't taken a CW class in a long time. I probably should do that because I'm not going to get any better if I don't like take a class and actually operate. The problem is I have all of this practice in my house with Morsel and CW Ninja and, you know, all of these applications. But then whenever I get out into the world and do things like this, the tones are different, the speeds are up and down, and I get very confused and a little frustrated on, you know, copying because I'm not copying like I, you know, if everything is set in stone, and that's the deal with CW. Let me turn this off. It's annoying me. That's the deal with CW is like, you know, you can go until you're blue in the face with all of these practice aids that you know what a call sign is coming next, or you know a 5-9 is coming, or, you know, it's all call signs, or it's all states, or it's all, you know, some type of exchange. And you can burn through those very quickly. But then whenever you get out in the real world, you know, they'll send a thank you, and you're not waiting for a thank you. You're waiting for, like, you know, a 599, and it, you know, can throw you off. So getting on the air is the best thing on, you know, bringing your speed and your instant character recognition up. But I don't do enough of that. I wish that I had more time that I could do things like this, you know. But is that a gavel or a selfie? It's a selfie stick. It's a selfie stick. Oh, see? And I don't know why I have it. Obviously, I think it came in a kit that I bought with a some type of camera thing, phone holder, and it was. I have all kinds of things. You'll see me waving one of these around. You'll see me waving this thing around. I wave my pin around. I gotta have waivers. Lots of waivers on this stream. All right, let's see if we can get K0JV. Let's see if we can hear him. Says the guy using key recordings. It's macros. Come on, get your terms right. Jesus. South Dakota. I'm not even pointed that way. He's not going to hear me. I'm pointed east. Macros are too flexy. Red, you need to contest more. Macros will save your butt, especially at 3 o'clock in the morning. Matt and I have a picture of us 3 o'clock in the morning contesting down at W0ECC. We were both giddy. We were laughing at everything. All right, I'm not pointed towards South Carolina or South Dakota. He's not going to hear me. There's no way. I got to point my beam, and I really don't feel like logging in and pointing the beam. We're just working East Coast stations today, buddy. Sorry. Let's see if we can get N4EL. Nat in Ohio. Come on, Nat. I didn't even know. What did he send? He didn't send Nat in Ohio. Actually, I don't think that's Nat. Let's see who that is. W5XLS. That's who it was. It was Roger in Texas. I didn't think I copied or I heard N4EL. That was W5LXS in Texas. Roger. Good old Roger. Let's see if we can hear AF5J. K2LML. Nope. You gonna call again? I think he was calling the other guy. What Neil says, Kyle, what software are you running on top that makes you your contacts? Yeah, so that's my contest dashboard in Node-RED. Search under let's see, contest dashboard Node-RED. Let's see. So then you bring up my GitHub. Node-RED contesting dashboard. And I show you how to install it. We got one script to install it, and runs on a Raspberry Pi. And yeah, you want to check that out? We're coming out with a new version for Field Day, or a version for Field Day, hopefully after Dayton. So Pixie's always sleeping. Well, because we go on every time I have one of these little streams, I go on a walk. Where's my band map? There it is. I go on a walk, Red, and I tired her out, so she sits there and zonks out. Is this... Yep. AF5J. Nope. There you go. Allen, Texas. Again. Thank you. Hey, here we go. Couple more here. I think we'll shut her down. That or we'll hunt some Poto. We'll go to the Poto website and see how much Poto's out there. Let's see if we can get to WD0BC. I'll be on the Sunday SST heading home from work. Oh, yep. You're heading home from work now, Matt. Yep. I took today off. I had to burn some vacation, so I took today off. They will get Ben in Colorado. There we go. Thank you. Ben in Colorado. There's the dit-dit. My first dit-dit. That is my first dit-dit. Showing everyone my dit-dits. Dit-dit-dit-dit-dit-dit. Let's see. Can we hear WS5C? Oh, I got something in my eye. WS5C. Bring that filter down. Ben has a nice CW ring. Yeah. Dit-dit is the police copy of... Dit-dit is not the police copy of... Oh. Talking about police copy. Those of you who are going to see me at Dayton, especially at Contest U, I have a very special t-shirt that I'm going to be wearing. My friend is making it this weekend. It's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. And no, it won't have a unicorn on it. Although I probably should put a unicorn on it, but I don't want to give anybody a wrong impression. So, yeah. Hopefully it's got... The front will be very contesty, and the back of it will be very YouTubey. Very please copy-y. How many contacts have I made here? Let's see. Window, score summary. I've only made 15 contacts. Oh well. We're having fun. We're making some contacts. That's all that matters. Come on, WB0. Can I hear you? Oh, he's so way down in the weeds. I'm not gonna try him. Yeah, there's not a lot of stations on that I can hear. Usually that's all right, one more pass through the band here. We got 5 minutes, 6 minutes to the top of the hour. We'll see who else is on. See if we can go down here and hear some peeps. K7MK. There we go. Idaho. Speaking of slow speed, have you ever used a straight key? No, I have not. But I'm going to try out a bunch of side swipers, or no, single lever paddles at Dayton. But I've never used a straight key. Yeah, never used a straight key. Oh, that's WB2KAO. Tim in New York. So he just sent good afternoon, I think. Oh. Did. Hey, Rob. Robbie. All right. Did it. It's got a gallop to it. Did. All right. KG8Y could be the last one. If we can hear him. No, that's one W1AW. We don't want that. That's somebody calling from Seven Land. Come on. Oh, here we go. NM5G. Let's see if we can hear him. Texas. Keith in Texas. Oh, Keith's a hard one. So many dits and das. Or so many... so many dits and das. So many dits. Keith is a hard one. Yeah. Keith's a hard name to grab. There's Keith in Texas. Oh, there's like right on top of one another here. Look, Keith, NM5G, and AF5J. They're neighbors. Probably blowing everyone's finals out on the same band, maybe. You don't want to blow your finals out, kids. That will lead to heartache and depression real fast. Never blow your finals out. But sometimes you just gotta go out there and blow your finals out a couple of times just to make sure you get all your the stuff out. You know? We already worked that guy. We got 1 more minute. Can we get another one in? Let's see if we can get one more in. Come on. Give me a strong signal that I can hear. Come on. No. Oh. I hope he's not competing. He's way too fast. Jeez. All right. We've had enough of that guy. I think that's going to be all she wrote there, boys and girls. Women and children, dogs and cats, orangutans and rhinos. I think that's all she wrote. All right. Well, should we go through and see if there's any... Oh, here's a... Oh, no, never mind. I was going to say James, KE8PZN, but that's an old spot. So, anyway, you know what? I think I'm going to shut her down. Let me kill that. So, things coming up on my channel if you want to take a look. Let's go to my channel here. And I do the CW Roundtable every 2 weeks. And let's bring over my channel here. You can see that I'm live here. But, yeah, I've got, let's do the playlist here. And I've got this CW. Oh, those are liked videos. Why did I, no, here we go. View full playlist. So I've got I do CW Roundtable with a whole bunch of people. Some of them are in the chat here every 2 weeks on Monday night at 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern. And we just talk about CW and what it is to be a new CW operator. And a bunch of other things, tips and tricks on how to learn, how to head copy, how to learning apps, learning different things that you can help yourself to maybe one application or learning skill works better for you. We just kind of peruse through all of them. So, and then Norm says, yeah, check out the latest. So let's bring up ARLQST. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but and I did send out a tweet about it, but I am in the newest QST under, I don't know what it's called. I think it's called like the social media thing. So I thank the ARL and QST for putting me in there, and it's also Field Day, the Field Day episode. So I'm hopeful that some more subscribers and some more people will see the channel. And I'm getting to the page here, but yeah, it's after the Field Day guide. It's like it's buried in the back here, just like here we go. Let me pull this over. So here's the latest QST, and shows me taking a look at a dipole here, that octopus dipole video that I did, and some Node-RED stuff. So thanks to the ARL to put me in the ham media playlist. Appreciate it. ARL is good people, and you should subscribe to the ARL because they do good things. And you should go out and participate in Field Day, the biggest operating event of the year. So, and go take a look at the QST article. So again, thanks to the ARL, I appreciate it. And what else do I have coming up on my channel? I'll give you guys a little preview. I think that I got another. There's Larry. He's live right now. Look, I'm live too. Yeah, I think I got another video coming out on Sunday. I usually try and release my videos on Sunday because that's where most of my subscribers hang out on YouTube is Sunday afternoon. So anyway, that is it from the shack here and the streaming location. Anybody got anything else they want to talk about? Neil, thanks. Excellent SST demo. Great show. Thanks, Neil. Appreciate it. Hopefully I answered all your questions. If you have any other questions about SST or some topics that we can talk about on the roundtable, put them in the comments below. But other than that, I think that's it. Red Summit, peace. See you Wednesday. Yes. See you Wednesday. Oh, I'm going to have somebody special with me on Wednesday that might be riding up with me. I guess you'll have to wait until you get off the plane to see who it is. I'm sure you could probably guess. He was going to fly in. I'm just like, why are you flying in? Why don't you just ride with me? So we'll see who shows up on Wednesday with Red Summit RF. So, all right. That is it. Now I got to always remember what time. Yeah, Red, what time are you getting in? Oh, you're getting in the same time as me. I'm driving Red to Dayton from Indy. We're getting in at like 7:30 or 8. First, we got to go by the grocery store and buy a bunch of beer. So 8 p.m. And then hopefully everyone will be in. So if you guys don't know, I rented an Airbnb that houses like, I mean, it's huge, but we only got like something like 8 beds or something, or 6 beds. And there's like, I don't know, 7 of us coming, eight of us coming. So a couple of people are on the air mattresses. I'm bringing some air mattresses. Sterling is sleeping on the floor on an air mattress, but it's going to be a big, huge party at this house that I rented, and it was cheap. It was only like $200, $250 for the whole weekend. Next year, I rented another house. I already rented the house for next Hamvention, and we're back in the old house that we were in 2 years ago. So it's a little bit smaller, but cheaper, way cheaper. So hopefully it'll be like 120 or 130 bucks next year. Digital Rancher, anyone else coming in? No. So Rob, I think you're the earliest at 1:30. I think the next person that's coming in is maybe 6 p.m. But I don't think that we can get into the Airbnb until 4. So you might have to go hang out somewhere between 1:30 and 4. So stealth camping in my camper van. Maybe you should just stealth camp over at the Airbnb. We're going to have a little get-together on Wednesday night. I think all the tubers are going to be hanging out on Wednesday night. Actually, we're going to invite them over on Wednesday night. Hopefully everyone will be there by hopefully 9. So we're going to start partying at 9 p.m. So Red, get your dancing shoes on. Party starts at 9 p.m. I expect some Breakin' 2 electric boogaloo out of you. Maybe do the robot like you did last year. I mean, that guy could break dance. I mean, I've never seen somebody of that age break dance like Red could. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Just the moves on that guy. All right. Are we done? Now I'm just rambling. All right. I think we're done. All right, guys. So that was the SST. I will not be back on Sunday because that's Mother's Day. Oh, Jason has a stream on Sunday to talk about Dayton. And if I'm back by then, I will be on, I don't know, I might be still visiting with my mother. So, because it's Mother's Day. Everyone go buy some flowers for your mom. So, anyway, that's it. See you guys later. I will see you on the next stream. Later.